guys, we're in my kitchen today, so it's kind of cozy, but I like it. I figured I'd show you all a couple of salad ideas. Most of us don't really have a lot of time, I work like 80 hours a week sometimes. So I have to make salads on the fly, and this is like a really easy salad. I'm not gonna call it a recipe, but something I just put together. So we're gonna do two. Usually I do baby spinach. I love spinach, but sometimes it kind of gets repetitive. So I try to switch it up. So I go 3 days with baby spinach and sometimes 2 spring mix. But at the most part, I try to just go till I run out. So for me to split them up, I split them up by toppings. Some days I'm feeling like sliced almonds. Some days I'm feeling like pecans. Some days I feel like cranberries. So guys, usually for the meat, I like to make sure I get deli fresh meat. I mean, it's okay to get the ones that are like already boxed up. It's cool too, but for me, this is kind of like particular and all of that. But today we're gonna do turkey, ham, and turkey breast. So turkey, ham, and then with the toppings. So just to make it a little bit easier. And the whole process, guys, I promise probably take like 10 minutes. Fresh spinach, baby. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go. I usually hand measure because for me, that's how I know how much I have to eat. Easy toppings, there we go, easy. This is the fun part where I get to cut up all the things I'm gonna put in there. So for me, usually, like I said, I mix all three. I'm gonna take a little bit of turkey breast, lay it on the side. I'm gonna take a little bit of ham, lay it over that. And for some people, this might be a little bit of a lot, but for me, it totally works. Lay it up on the side, and then just try to dice it up as best as I can. Because the more symmetrical I could get it, the better it looks on my plate and the more I want to eat it. So just take that. And then you have this nice little layer. And at that point, I just go a little bit of cubes, hold it up, cubes, and that's done. And then finally, this last little bit up here. And guys, this whole process literally just took less than 2 minutes. So we're done with the fun part. So I'm gonna take my already sliced up meat, take it up here, move it back here. Easy. All right, guys, we're down to the fun part. See how good it looks? Totally makes me hungry. All right, so this is a part where, this is what really separates both of them. So for me, I'm gonna pick 1 and 2, and then, but I always have to have the bacon, like I said in the start. So it's gonna top them up. Some people like to measure, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.